feathers absolutely has to fly. Why must they fly? Some creatures have two wings that flap, but you won't find them up there in the sky. Try, try, try.